Oh my God. Oh, the hail. Oh, that's some big shit. Oh my God. Look out. Hope you got insurance for your hail damage. Not me, I'm just gonna cash the check. That's some, ow! Ow! Look at the size of that stuff. You got me. Yeah, that's gonna leave a mark. Ah! Holy shit. This video does not do it justice. We're getting our ass kicked right now. Ow! Look at the size of that shit. Go for it. Getting bigger. Oh! Coming down like bombs. Holy crap. Wow. This is some heavy rain, baby. Look at this on camera. Holy crap. You see the American flag out there blowing good. The hail is still coming down. Kind of loud in a tin building. Oh no. Man, that's some big hail. I don't know, it's marble size, I guess. Maybe a little bigger than marble. You know, my lawn was getting a little dry anyway. Need some. Man, oh, there's a big one. Oh my gosh, it's getting way bigger. That's golf ball size now. Holy crap. Oh no. I've only got liability. Crap. Oh. Woohoo. Oh my God, this is crazy. Wow. I'm impressed. Nature, if this is nature, it's not chemtrail DARPA weapons. Oh, jeez, that stuff is getting big. Uh-oh, can you hear it hitting the cars? See it bouncing off the cars? Oh my God. State Farm's gonna be cutting some checks tomorrow. Wow. Wow. Oh! That one scared me. It's so big. Oh no! Oh, my car's getting hammered. Oh no! Dude, wait a minute. Wow. This is crazy. Look at all the leaves. Oh no, the hail's coming again. It's getting bigger. Holy shit. Holy cow, people. Alright, I think it's kind of past us because it's not blowing in the shop anymore, really. Man, it dropped like 20 degrees in 5 minutes, too. Unbelievable. Wow. I don't know. If I shut it off, then something good's going to happen, so I'm going to keep rolling. Keep it rolling. Ooh, man, that is wicked. Whoa, man. We're gonna get some thunder here. I saw some lightning. Boy, you can't even see that part of it. Oh, here we go. There, it's starting to let up a little bit. As soon as I say that. Oh, there's more lightning. How far away? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, another one. 11. Wow. Why am I not hearing it? It's that far away? Should be hearing some major thunder right now. Oh, there we go. Oh. Man, it's coming down. Something cool about a storm though, huh? I can smell the electricity in the air. Ooh. Smells so good. All right. What do you think? Is 6 minutes enough of this? Nobody's gonna watch this for 6 minutes. I'm an idiot. All right. Hope we survive at Bug Out Island, and I hope this is not my last transmission. I will upload immediately. If I don't ever see you again, I love you. You're great people out there, and be nice to each other. All right. Here we go.